Hello, my name is Natasha Daniels, and I'm the Corporate Chef Administrator here at Rational USA. In this video, I want to talk to you about a variety of different cooking oils that I've got right here on the board and how you can choose it for what you're going to be cooking. So as a chef, the first thing that you want to take into consideration when choosing your cooking oil is going to be the smoking point. So, well, first off, what is the smoking point? So the smoking point is going to be the temperature at which that particular oil starts to smoke and burn and potentially create some off flavors. So I've got a variety of popular cooking oils here. Let's go into some of those temperature ranges. So first and foremost, we've got some oils, extra virgin olive oil, some toasted sesame oil. These types of oils have a low smoking point, and these are going to be really good for low heat, very gentle cooking methods, maybe scrambling eggs or maybe some light sauteing. They can also be utilized for finishing as well, so you can potentially use these for flavoring for that particular dish. These are typically going to be lower than 250 degrees. Here we have our medium heat cooking oils. So these ones are going to be in the range of 400, below 400 to 250 degrees. And these are going to be perfect for things like baking, things like sauteing, medium heat cooking methods. These are typically going to be neutral oils, and they're really good for those items, and even deep frying as well. And then finally, on the other side of the board here, we've got a variety, two oils. We've got some avocado and some grapeseed. These are going to be your high heat cooking oils. So with a smoke point of 400 degrees or higher, these are perfect for stir frying, for grilling, for maybe braising and some really high heat sauteing. These are really good for those different types of cooking methods, and that's how you're going to choose which oil based on the smoking point.